Kristin. I'm bisexual, as you can tell from my onesie. Nothing about this is straight, right? Like when I walk around out there, people are like, there goes that big gay baby. Hope she wins her pageant. I came out to my mom when I was 19. I came out to my dad when I was 37. And the reason why I came out to my dad when I was 37 is because when I was 19, he was a 2-time Bush voter, which I thought was the worst thing you could be. In retrospect, it would have been so easy. Like, he would have been like, I'm pro-Bush, and I would have been like, same. I'm Native American, which is the other half of my personality. I'm Gayukono, which I just pronounced wrong. But the problem with telling people that you're Gayukono is that no one has heard of the Gayukono. Like, if I tell a white woman about the Gayukono, she goes, oh, I should make an appointment. Do you like yours? I like mine. Like, and it's awkward, you know, because, like, my mom's not white, but I look like someone who would call the cops at Six Flags. So I feel a lot of pressure to be a good Native person. So I'm trying to learn my language, but it's hard for a couple reasons. First, in the late 1700s, George Washington ordered the murder of my people. Ooh, I found the colonizers. Hello! George Washington murdered people, so fewer speakers. And second, it's a super complex language. I study all the time. I can say 3 things in my language. Thank you, you're welcome, and oh fuck, it's George Washington. I can't even greet people in my language. And you might be saying, oh, Kristin, are you being an exaggerating bitch right now? This is how you greet people in my language. I'm fucked. Yes, this does have pockets. I'm bisexual. Just as a PS, I've actually been doing that bit for a second to the point where I actually know that word. It's dentantuant no. I can say it, yes. And I was so excited. So I went to my friend who's Gayukono, and I was like, I can greet people. And she said, show me. And I said, dentantuant no. And she said, Kristin, you just said the words greeting people. So not going good. I'm married to a fantastic trans woman. Yeah, good for me. Yeah, and actually she came out as trans after we got married, and everyone is really normal about it. Like usually when I tell people my wife came out as trans after we got married, people kind of go like they feel sorry for me, and it's like, why? We got rid of the worst part of our marriage. The man. My wife actually comes from a super gay family, and I mean gay literally, not like in a 2007 kind of way. Her brother is gay. Both her uncles are gay. Her ancestors actually came over on the gay flower. And they're all like pretty convinced that the grandma was a lesbian. And the reason why they think this, and this is 100% true, but the reason why they think this is because she was a gym teacher who coached softball, and she loved Rosie O'Donnell's talk show. And she died of a massive heart attack in a Home Depot. This woman was so gay, she got outed by God. And obviously, we're not like a typical married couple. Like most married couples kind of get the question, well, when are you gonna have kids? And the question we usually get is, well, what is she gonna do about her? Mm-hmm. And I don't know if y'all know this or not, but it is actually still weird to ask people about their dicks. People talk to me about my wife's penis like she's a dog I just adopted. Like, what are you gonna do about the balls? I don't know, you're not gonna see them. They're not on display. It's not like the Kristin's wife's penis exhibit is leaving LACMA. We gotta go check it out! I don't walk up to men at cocktail parties and say, how's your wife's labia doing? Hanging in there? Kristin Chirico. You guys have been so good. Thank you so much.